Hello students, our last program is about Laravel, and you know what is Laravel, right? Laravel is a PHP framework. Now when we want to use this framework, the first thing that we should know is we have to install this framework in our laptop or in our PC so that we can start using that framework. Now to use the Laravel framework, the first thing that we have to download and install is its dependency manager. Okay, the name of the dependency manager of our PHP is known as Composer. So first we are going to go to Google and we are going to download the Composer, and then after we download the Composer we are going to install the Composer, and once we install the Composer, by using this Composer we are going to install our Laravel, and then we are going to write our first Laravel program. So let us see how do we install the Laravel, I mean using Composer. So the first thing is you have to first go to the URL called as getcomposer.org/download. Okay, now once you go to that particular link, what you see is, I'll just show you. You will see this Composer setup, so I'll just show you how it looks here. See, so if you go to this particular URL getcomposer.org, you will find such a page, and on that page you will find composer setup.exe link. Click on this link. The moment you click on this link, your composer setup file will start downloading. Once the download is completed, what you can see is, you can see this composer setup file in your download folder. Double click on this composer setup file. Once you double click, it will ask you whether you are sure and all. Say yes, and then the installation starts. Now when the installation starts, it will show you this particular window. Okay, don't select this developer mode. Directly click on the next button. Now when you click on this next button, it will show you one URL where exactly you want to store this Composer. So just don't do anything. Whatever by default, whatever URL, whatever path is shown to you, just be happy with that and click on next. Now once you click on the next, actually the Composer will be installed in your PC. Once the Composer is installed, we want to really make sure whether it's been installed or not installed. So how are we going to make sure that it's been installed? So what we are going to do is, we are going to go to command prompt. So I will type cmd and I'll open this command prompt, and at this particular prompt I will write Composer. Spelling mistake. Let's wait. So see what you can see. Can you see Composer? And it is also showing you the version of that Composer when I downloaded and all, and these are all the commands of the Composer. Okay, so now we are very happy that we have downloaded the Composer. Not only that, but what we have done, we have also installed the Composer. I'll just clear the screen. Now what is the next step? What we want to do? We just want to install the Laravel, and at the same time we can create a project. So how do we do that? And now is the time to create our Laravel project. So the command for that is, we are going to create the Laravel. We are going to install the Laravel first by using the Composer, and then we are going to also create our first Laravel project. So using Composer, so I am typing Composer. What are you going to do? You want to create the project. So we will type create dash project, and then there is one command which is dash dash prefer dash dist. It simply stands for preferred distributor. Now when you give this particular preferred distributor command, what happens is, you just make sure that everything that is needed for our Laravel project is properly, all the packages have been installed. So for that reason we are going to do that. It is recommended to use that. So dash dash prefer dash dist. Okay, for what? So for Laravel. So we want to install Laravel, so you have to type Laravel/Laravel. Okay, and then what is the name of your project? Because we are saying, what are we saying? We are saying create project. So what is the name of your project? So I will say program 10, because this is our 10th program. You can give any name, and let's wait, let's see what happens. Okay, so see, it's saying creating Laravel project. Okay, good. So it's installing Laravel version 11.1.1, and you can see like it's installing all the necessary packages for our Laravel project. That's good. See, so let's wait till we get the prompt. Here you can see the progress bar. All the necessary packages are being installed. 56. See, okay. Who is responsible for all this package installation? Our composer. Why? Because it is our dependency manager. Okay, let's wait till we get the prompt. The wait is not yet over. 79 packages. Okay, still see so many packages are getting. Okay, finally we are ready. With what? We are ready with the prompt. So can we directly go to VS Code from here? See, code. Can you see the command? Code space dot and press enter. Oh yes. Okay, yes, I trust the authors, and then welcome I don't want. And what I want to do, I want to open my project, right? So how do we open and how do we run, that I will show you in the next video, or maybe directly in the lab. Thank you.